Dear students of Standard 10, welcome to the class of English first paper. Today we are going to learn lesson 1 and 2 from unit 13. The name of the unit is Media and Modes of E-Communication. In your ICT book, you have learned about this in details. In English first paper, that is the English for Today book, we will get a few information about emails and social media. Let's see the information. Lesson 1, Media and Modes of E-Communication. Here we will learn some information about email. What is email? How does it work? Etc. I know you are well aware of it. Still, we have to read the text. So let's see. What is an email? An email is an electronic mail. It is a computer-aided way of exchanging digital text messages from a sender to one or multiple recipients. How do emails operate? Emails operate through a network of computers linked by the internet. There are commercial server agencies such as Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, etc. that accept the text message from the sender and forward it and deliver instantly to the digital mailbox of the recipient. Even if the recipient is not online, the message is stored and delivered later. Email has been a powerful communication tool in modern life because it is reliable and speedy mode of communication. For both personal and commercial communication, we use it or we depend on it. And these emails affect our daily life a lot. Nowadays, it becomes a habit of the people that after waking up from bed, they log in the computer and check emails, then they do the rest of the work of the day. And this email brings people come closer, it lessens our workload, and we can connect with any corner of the world within a fraction of time. That means it needs less time to do work. In this lesson, there is a fill in the blanks with clues. We have to solve it. So let's do. Sending text messages electronically could be said to date back to the Morse code telegraph of the mid-80s and the 1939 New York World's Fair. In the fair, IBM sent a letter of congratulations from San Francisco to New York on an IBM radio type, calling it a high-speed substitute for mail service in the world of tomorrow. Teleprinters were used in Germany during World War II. The use spread until the late 1960s when there was a worldwide telex network. Additionally, there was the similar American system called TWX, which remained important until the late 1980s. With the introduction of MIT's Compatible Time-Sharing System (CTSS) in 1961, for the first time multiple users were allowed to log into a central system from remote dial-up terminals. They were also able to store and share files on the central disk. Informal methods of using these to pass messages expanded and were developed to create the first true email system. Now we'll read lesson 2, Social Network Services. You are well known about this, you are familiar with this because nowadays you are using it too much. So let's see what is written in our text. What is social network? Social networks are websites that facilitate to establish and improve social relations among people around the world. How do people use it, or for which purposes they use? The users can interact through internet. These services make it possible to connect people sharing interest, opinion, and activities across the borders. And these services have made a lot for the users to feel that they live in a global village, because it helps share our interest and opinion with people who live in other countries. A student can get information of a foreign university just by one click. Many people find good jobs in foreign countries too. Now we will see why these social networks are expanding so fast. There are some reasons. First one is most of the services are free of cost. One can make one's personal profile. One can present himself before the entire world. One can look into other people's profile if interested. They allow people to upload pictures and multimedia content. They allow people to post blog entries. There are privacy protection measures also. This is the most important one. In this lesson, there are fill in the blanks. First one, the dash technology has helped social networking sites to emerge. Answer will be internet. Users have to pay for their online connections. Number 3, users' accounts have personal secrecy protection measures. Number 4, user profiles have a section for others' remarks. You must solve it in your book. In your book, there is exercise F. Here some data are given. You have to learn this table as describing graphs and chart. Besides, from these lessons, you will learn a paragraph, Digital Bangladesh, and you must practice model question at your home. We'll meet soon with the new topic. Till then, thank you.